Hello friends, so I am back and today we are going to talk about the crystal defect or imperfection. Okay, so this is our topic. So we are talking about crystal defect or imperfection. So basically, what is defect? What is defect? So basically, if we say that this thing is a defect, means there are some disorders. Okay, so there are some disorders or it is abnormal, so we say that there is a defect. So in the crystal defect, what will happen? So basically we are talking about the defect in the solid. So what can be the defect present in solid? It is present in the arrangement of particles. Okay, so the some irregularities or disorders in arrangement of constituent particle of solid crystal is nothing but what? Imperfection. Okay, so now we have understood what is a crystal defect or a imperfection. Okay, so what is this? It is the defect, it is a disorder in arrangement of the constituent particles of solid crystal. Okay, so now what are the types of defects? So basically in types of defects, these are the types of defects. Okay, there are three type of defects as you can see here: point defect, line defect and the plane defect. Okay, these are the types of defect. So these are the types of defect: point defect, line defect and the plane defect. Point defect. Okay, so in this chapter we have to talk only about the point defect. Okay, so what is a point defect? That is, these defects are irregularities produced in arrangement of the bases at lattice points in crystalline solid. Okay, from the name we can understand that it is a point defect. It occurs at some point, and in the crystalline solid we know that there is a lattice point. Okay, so it occurs at the lattice point. In what? In arrangement of the bases. What are the bases? That is particles. Okay, so it is the defect which occurs at lattice point in arrangement of the particles. Okay, so this occurs at these are produced at the lattice points. Okay, so now let's see about the types of point defect. So if we see, there are three types of point defects: stoichiometric point defect, impurity defect, non-stoichiometric point defect. Okay, these are the three main types of point defect. In this module you will not know in detail about each one, but from next video we will study about each one in detail. Okay, in this lecture we are going to see only the names. Okay, then after that the stoichiometric point defect is classified into four types: vacancy defect, self-interstitial defect, Schottky defect and the Frankel defect. Okay, so these are the four types. So now let's look at the types of impurity defect. What are the types of impurity defect? Substitutional impurity defect, interstitial impurity defect. From the name you can understand that is some kinds of impurity will be present. Okay, in the next module we will be learning about each one in detail. Okay, so don't worry. So now let's look at the types of non-stoichiometric point defect. What is a non-stoichiometric point defect? Means the ratio will be changing. Stoichiometry means it is related to the ratio. Okay, so in this there are two types of defect, that is metal deficiency and the metal axis defects. So from name you can see metal deficiency means the metal will get less, that is the cation ions will become less, and in the metal axis the cation ions will be present more in the crystalline solid. Okay, so now we have learned about the what is the defect, what are the main three types of defects, then we have looked about the types of point defect, and we have looked about the subtypes of the types of point defect. Okay, so now let's take more information about each one. Okay, so we will be looking only at the main points. Okay, so let's see. So basically in the types of point defect there are three types of point defect: stoichiometric point defect, impurity defect, non-stoichiometric defect. What will happen in the stoichiometric defect? The ratio will not change. Okay, ratio will not change, but in the non-stoichiometric defect the ratio will change. Ratio will change. And in the impurity defect, so what will happen in the impurity defect? Basically impurity will be added, that is the ions from foreign atoms will be added. Okay, so now we have studied about the defects, and in the next lecture we will take more information. Okay, so thank you guys.